Have you ever pondered why some people seem to have an endless supply of motivation, while others struggle to get out of bed in the morning? Could the secret to their productivity lie in a simple sentence or two? Imagine this: a man named John, stuck in a 9-to-5 job that he loathes. Every day is a battle for him, a battle to wake up, to get dressed, to face the world. One day he stumbles upon a quote: "Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life." This quote, credited to Confucius, sparks a change in John. He begins to question his choices, his life path. He starts to explore his passions, his interests. And before he knows it, he's quit his job and started his own business doing what he loves. Now every morning he wakes up excited, ready to face the day. Then there's Sarah, a single mother struggling to balance work and family. She's always tired, always stressed, always feeling like she's failing in one aspect or another. One day she reads a quote from Maya Angelou: "I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it." This quote resonates with Sarah. She starts to see her struggles not as failures, but as opportunities to grow, to become stronger. She becomes more patient, more forgiving towards herself. She becomes a better mother, a better person. Inspirational quotes, as seen in the examples of John and Sarah, have the power to change perspectives, to spark change. They serve as reminders of our potential, of the possibilities that lie within us. They motivate us, inspire us, make us want to be better. The transformative power of inspirational quotes lies in their ability to touch upon universal truths. They resonate with us because they speak to the human condition, to our shared experiences and emotions. They remind us that we are not alone, that others have faced similar struggles and emerged victorious. Inspirational quotes can be used as daily reminders, as mantras, as motivators. They can be written on sticky notes and placed on mirrors, used as phone wallpapers, or repeated in moments of doubt or struggle. They serve as a source of comfort, of inspiration, of motivation. To summarize, inspirational quotes hold immense potential for self-improvement. They can change perspectives, inspire change, and motivate action. They remind us of our potential and of the possibilities that lie within us. They can be used as daily reminders, as mantras, as motivators. They serve as a source of comfort, of inspiration, of motivation. So next time you come across an inspirational quote, don't just read it and move on. Stop, reflect on it, let it sink in. You never know, it might just change your life.